So welcome students. So in this question you are asked to find the summation of the sequence. So if you carefully observe the sequence, what is the nature of the sequence? So if you take this one out, the remaining sequence, you can see that it is an AGP because 2, 6, 10, 14 so on are in AP, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 3 cube, 1 by 3 power 4 are in GP. And this is an infinite AGP. So what is the sum of infinite AGP of the form A plus D times R, A plus 2D times R square. If you have an infinite AGP like this, the sum up to infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R plus dr by 1 minus R whole square. So to apply this formula, you should convert the given AGP into standard form. The standard form means the first term of the GP has to be equal to 1. Only if that is so, the formula can be applied exactly. So now let us apply this formula. So you get the sum as 1 plus. So in this, as you can see, the first term of AP is 2. So A is equal to 2 and the common difference of AP is 4 and the common ratio of GP is 1 by 3. But the first term of GP has been seen as 1 by 3. The first term of the GP is 1 by 3. So I cannot directly use this formula. So to use this formula, I'll take 1 by 3 common. So if you take a 1 by 3 common, now this will, whatever is left is converted into standard AGP. Now I can use this formula A by 1 minus R, 2 by 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 4 into R by 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square. That is equal to 1 plus 1 by 3 times 2 by 2 by 3 is 3 plus 4 by 3 by 4 by 9. This is 2 by 3 whole square. 4 by 3 by 4 by 9 is again equal to 3. That is equal to 1 plus 6 by 3 is 2 is equal to 3 is the right answer. So the sum of the sequence is 3. Option A is the right answer to this question. Thank you.